Hello guys, this is my first video and today I will show you a free download manager for Windows PC. First go to your web browser. Then type gopeed.com. Also the link is on video description. Then click Download for Windows button on website. Now wait till the download get finished. If this message came to your download, click the three dots on right side of your download and click Keep, and again click the Delete button's arrowhead and click Keep anyway. When the download is finished, close the browser and go this PC on your desktop. Then click Download and find your downloaded file. Now open the downloaded file. Click OK. Now click I accept the agreement and click Next. Again click Next. Now put a tick on Create Desktop Shortcut and click Next. Now click Install and wait till installation get finished. Click the Finish button to finish the installation, and now wait to open app automatically. Now this is the free internet manager called Gopeed, and now you can download anything without interruption at high speed. I hope this video is helpful for you. And for more video like this, subscribe LiyoX channel and share this video to your friend to know this tip.